Another day in the Philippines, guys. I didn't really want to get out and go into the city. You guys know I don't like driving here, but this morning I had a little problem. I was coming out of the CR and I heard a pop, and I lost another computer. Yep, the power supply went out. The fuse is right here, and it's soldered into the board. And I don't have any spare parts like that, and if I was to bypass it and short circuit it, then it could create a problem for the main motherboard. So I'm on my way into Robinson's Mall in the north end of Bacolod City, because it's the closest and safest place I can go. But we've got to get that power supply and get a new one in there, and hopefully that's all it's going to be. That's only about a year old. Now I've lost one laptop and 2 PCs since I've been here. It's something about the voltage and the voltage fluctuation here. And I don't like power supplies or voltage stabilizers, but they do seem to sell a lot of them. But it just popped for no reason. Everything else is working. Aircon was fine, but it's gone. So here I go. Well, guys, I cheated death one more time. Finally got to Robinson's. Look at all these motorcycles back here. They take the motorcycles in most places, SM City and most businesses, they stick you in the back of the corner of the parking lot, like you're a second-class citizen or something, just because you have a motorcycle. So we made it. I made it here okay. Fixing to go inside now. I defeated death one more time on these Bacolod roads. The road construction wasn't quite as bad today. Okay, here's one of my favorite stores in all the cities, is Octagon. Get most of my computer supplies here. There was one other store that I used to shop at, I can't remember the name of it, but Octagon's online. You can look up the prices online. And they're just about in every major city. Probably have 2 or 3 stores in each city. So that's where we're going today. Well, I made it. 3,000 pesos later, I got me a 650 watt. Well, I'm back home. Here's the old one, here's the new one. The new power supply, it's installed. Now all I gotta do is just figure out all that spaghetti mess and get it put back in. Amazingly, this power supply here is the one I put in here last year. It's only just over a year old, or about a year. And it's a 600 watt, and I'm not gaming. And I don't have all that gaming stuff on here, high-end CPUs, so hopefully that'll take care of it. It's a Corsair, which is a good brand, VS650, 650 watts, and we'll see if it's going to work. Hopefully there's nothing wrong with the motherboard that caused the short and caused that power supply to blow that fuse. Okay, I'll let you know. Well, the moment of truth, guys. This computer is about probably maybe 11 years old, 12 years old, and this power cable here off of this power supply is different. This is the old 4-pin. This is the computer's so old that all the parts that are being built for computers have updated motherboards and CPUs. This is a 775 socket, which they don't sell anymore. And so everything changes, and then a lot of your memory card, your memory chips, they won't work with the older computers. So this has gotten to be a challenge. These are 667 megahertz memory chips, and even online with eBay trying to buy from China, I couldn't get any 4 meg memory chips, and you really need 8 megs when you're running Windows 7, and I'm sitting on 4, and I've got a different kind of memory chip in here, and it's working. It's only recognizing 3 megabytes, but that's okay. It's been getting me by. But I just had to build my own cable, and I'm just praying it's going to work. I don't know if I heard it pop this morning, and so I'm fixing to plug it in and see if my little repair job did okay, and if so, then I'm going to go up and tape all these wires and secure them with some wire ties I have over here. I got a bag of wire ties. I'll tie them all up and secure the insides and then put it back together. But I'm praying for a good outcome on this one. I didn't get the black screen of death. It's starting. Thank God. Just another day in the Philippines, guys. But you know what? It's a good day. Everybody's happy, healthy. Maybe not wealthy, but we're happy and healthy, and the computer works. See you guys.